Hello, I'm David the Collector, and I'm here with an exciting art unboxing today. It is a print by Austin Lee called Rendered Birds. I really love this work. This is my first piece by Austin Lee. He's most known for his sculptures in Supreme stores. He's represented by Jeffrey Deitch. His style is figurative, but also very abstract, to the point of being childlike. He designs his sculptures in VR, which I think is really cool. He paints mostly in airbrush. This print specifically, here, let's look at his work real quick, actually. Cool. So yeah, this is what his shit looks like. You could say this is kid-like, right? You can tell that this was made in a in VR, right? Pretty dope. Oh, go back. But yeah, love his stuff. This was one of his shows at Jeffrey Deitch. You can see all the works on the wall as well as the sculptures. So yeah, thought that shit was really cool. Damn, the desktop audio is going so rough right now. Sorry about that. Didn't realize how loud it was. That's happened when we popped over. I'll show this off one more time so you can actually hear me. But I was just saying that here is his website. You can see a bunch of his work. You can see that this is in VR. And this is one of his shows at Jeffrey Deitch, where he has sculptures as well as paintings in airbrush. So yeah, his style is so apparent, and it looks like a kid could make this, but clearly they couldn't. I think that's just like the vibe he's going for, kind of. Let's get back to it, though. Cool. This is a print that he did with Paste Prints that benefited the Environmental Defense Fund. Paste Prints does an Earth Day print every year. The prints are a lot less expensive than most of Paste Prints prints. So always happy to get a hold of one of their works that are normally like originals and very expensive and hard to get a hold of. Even the name of this print, Rendered Birds, alludes to a digital rendering being made, which I think is pretty funny and just like shows how he does all of his stuff. This is an edition of 50. Let's check it out. I've opened this already, so I think I should be able to open it again pretty easily. Let's see. Huh, how did I do it? For some reason I thought I had, but I think I just wanted to know what the edition number was, so I hadn't actually checked. So here it is. You can see how Paste Prints sort of writes their little note. Here, we'll move the camera over here so you can see it. But yeah, Austin Lee, Rendered Birds, 2021, Photogravure. I don't even know what that means. But yeah, I got edition 7, which is pretty sick. Was excited. The last time I got one of these, it was a Robin Francesca Williams piece called Earth Prayer. I ended up getting edition 1. I showed that off in the last opening. This is going to take a second, but I'll peel this back so you can see the actual print. Sorry for the delay here, but you're just going to have to be patient. Opening these things up quickly is how they get broken, scratched, bent. You don't want that to happen. So you really got to take your time with these things. I think we're going to be able to slide it in, slide it out. It's like the technique I'm going to go with instead of completely opening it up. I'm honestly not even going to frame this one. I think this one's going to stay in storage. Again, I haven't been able to collect anything by Austin Lee. And the fact that he did this Paste print was just too good of an opportunity. So I washed my hands before this. I find gloves can fuck up a print more than your bare hands can, so we just go for it. There is rendered birds. Really, really love it here. I'm gonna set it down and show it off like this too. Yeah. You can see the signature is so simple. I love it. And just the print itself here. Take my dumb face out. That's Rendered Birds by Austin Lee. I don't know why he signs it. It looks like Alec. But maybe it's A. Lee, now that I think about it. 7 out of 25, or 7 out of 50, like I was saying. Was really hoping for #1 again, but can't do it every time. Yeah, love that. Thank you.